Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing what matters. Backup routines, unlink accounts, and note your Wi-Fi SSID and password so setup is smooth afterward. Once done, keep the Echo Show 8 plugged in. You don't want it dying mid-reset. Now choose the reset type. Soft reboot clears minor issues. Factory reset removes all personal data. To start a physical factory reset, swipe down from the top, tap Settings, then Device Options. Make sure you're on a stable network before proceeding with the next step. Now you'll perform the reset itself. In Device Options, tap Reset to Factory Defaults and follow on-screen confirmations. This is the safest path. Alternatively, if the touchscreen is unresponsive, press and hold volume down and microphone off together for about 15 seconds until the Amazon logo appears. This forces a hardware reset. After confirming prompts, the Echo Show will erase data and reboot. Make sure you wait through the full restart. When the setup screen appears, the reset succeeded, and you can finish by following the on-screen setup. Choose language, join your Wi-Fi network, and sign into your Amazon account so skills, calendars, and preferences can restore. If the device gets stuck or keeps rebooting, unplug it for 1 minute, plug back in, and retry the manual reset. Sometimes a power cycle clears a boot loop. If multiple resets fail, contact Amazon support, because persistent initialization errors often indicate hardware faults or firmware issues that require their intervention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.